Okay, now you see the example number 32 from Rajamohan book. This is the example number 32. Okay, the number of accidents occurring in a factory in a year. Number of accidents occurring in a factory in a year is given. Is a Poisson variate with mean 5. Mean 5, mean is given. That means lambda value is 5. Okay, mean is 5, no doubt. Find the probability that more than 2 is the first question, and second question is more than 4 accidents occurring in a year. Here there are two questions for you people. More than 2 accidents occurring in a year. First question is more than 2 accidents occurring in a year. Second question is more than 4 accidents occurring in a year. These are the two questions asked for you people. Then you tell me more than 2 accidents means how many accidents? Mean is given in the problem, no doubt. More than 2 accidents means how many accidents? Yes, anyone tell me? More than 2 accidents means how many accidents? You are studying statistics. As per statistics or probability knowledge, you are having knowledge of probability, and tell me what is the meaning of more than 2. More than 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು accident? Am I audible or not?
Two, three.
Huh? ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನು. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ಬೋದು? More than 2.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
More. 2.
I repeatedly told you people regarding Poisson distribution and binomial distribution. In the binomial distribution, n is clear. In the binomial distribution, n is clear. From x value to n value, you have to say more than means. In the binomial. In the Poisson distribution, n is uncertain. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನಾಗ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1, 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. Poisson distribution ದಲ್ಲಿ n ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅನ್ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು. ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ n ಇರ್ತತಿ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರ್ತತಿ ಆ x ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಕ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to n. This is the answer in binomial equation. Binomial ದಲ್ಲಿ n ಇರ್ತದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ n ವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, more or less ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. But in this Poisson distribution, n value is not there. More than 2 means, okay, more than 2 meaning, tell me, is it covers 0, 1, 2, or it will not cover 0, 1 and 2? ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದ? More than 2 means 2 will not cover. 2 will not cover. More than 2 means next number is 3. Remember this. Okay. At least means you have to take the consideration of given number. At least means you are at least 2 and more than 2. You see the difference between these two. More than 2 means you have to leave and take the next number. At least means you take that number and remaining numbers. This is the point you remember. More than 2 means 3. You requires 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. Up to infinity. You remember this. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ more than 2 ಅಂದ್ರ 3 ರಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't know the next number. In a year, how many accidents occurs in a year? I don't know. Okay, there are so many accidents occur. So many accidents occur in a year. This is Poisson distribution. So many accidents. Large number of accidents. Large number of accidents. More number of accidents occur. I don't know the exact number. Okay, therefore, n is uncertain. N is uncertain. Therefore, you say that more than 2 means 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or up to infinity. ಸರಿಯಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು? More than 2 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ there may be 3 accidents, 4 accidents, 5 accidents, 6 accidents, 7 accidents, up to infinity. Up to infinity, unknown number. That is the answer. And more than 4 accidents means how many accidents? More than 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು accident ಆಗಬೇಕು? What is the meaning of more than 4? More than 4 accidents.
5, 6, 7 and infinity.
Right. Good. Very good. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೋರಿ. 5, 6, 7 up to infinity. Okay. And you remember more than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Up to infinity, you have to calculate. Is it possible to calculate? Huh? More than 2 means?
No.
3 and above, you have to calculate. It is not possible. So you have to make it complementary. You make this complementary. Okay. Then 4, more than 4 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Up to infinity, you have to calculate. Last number. That is also not possible. Therefore, in these two cases, you have to make the complementary. You have to make the complementary. Okay. So you see the solution. Probability x is equal to e raised to mean raised to x. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಓದ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Expectation. E means expectation of minus mean. E means expectation. E means minus mean raised to minus mean raised to x divided by x factorial. Okay. And mean is 5. Mean is given in the problem 5. Then the first question, x is greater than 2. First question. In the first question, x is greater than 2. More than 2. Okay. So first question is more than 2 accidents. More than 2 accidents means 3 or any number. So probability of x is greater than 2. Greater than 2 is equal to, x is greater than 2 is equal to complementary of probability of x is smaller than 3. ನಿಮಗೆ greater than 2 ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. And what is not required? Which is not required? ಬೇಡಾದ ಯಾವ್ದ? You are going to calculate probability relating to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. Then what is not required or complementary? 3, 4, 5, 6 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಆಗೈತಿ. What is the number coming before that?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2 are not necessary. Okay, 0, 1, 2 are not necessary. Therefore, less than 3 is not required. Less than 3 is complementary, not less than 2. Right? Remember this. But less than 2 and there.
Sir, voice is not clear.
Huh? Voice is not clear. Less than 2 is not required. I am also facing the net problem here. So you try to understand. Otherwise, you go to Google, YouTube. After the class, you go to YouTube in the evening. I'll record and upload in the YouTube. You see it. So probability of x is equal to x is greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus probability of x is smaller than 3. Smaller than 3. So probability of x is greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 2. These numbers are not necessary. Therefore, you have to see this one in the equation. E raised to minus mean raised to x divided by x factorial, first one. Second for second equation, third is for third equation. You write the three equations. Then probability of x is greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus e raised to 5. 5 raised to 0. X value is 0. In the first equation, you put x value 0 and mean 5. And in the second equation, you put the x value 1, mean 5. Mean is 5. Then in the third equation, x value is 2. X value is 2. Mean is 5. If you simplify this, then you will get 1 minus the value of this e raised to minus 5. Its value is 0.06. E raised to minus 5 you see in the Poisson distribution table. E raised to minus 5 you see in the Poisson distribution table. If you are having the Poisson distribution table, you see in the Poisson distribution table. Okay. In the Poisson distribution table, you see what is the value of e raised to minus 5. e raised to minus 5 value in the Poisson distribution table is 0.0067. I'll show the table once again. It is not clear here. Okay. Mean value, first column you see in the 5 value. 5 value is 0.0067. This value you take in place of e raised to minus 5. E raised to minus 5 value is, your mean is 5.5. Therefore, 5 value is, mean 5 value is 0.0067. 0.0067 is your answer. Okay. Then you put that value in the given equation, and e raised to 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. In the second equation, e raised to minus 5, 0.0067, 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5 divided by 1. Then next is e raised to minus 5 value 0.0067, 5 raised to 2 is equal to 25 into 25 divided by 2. You simplify this equation again, 1 minus 0.0067. It is the value of first bracket, first term. And second term, if you multiply 0.0067 into 5 divided by 1 is equal to 0.0335. Then if you calculate the value of 0.0067 into 5 raised to 2, 25 divided by 2. Divided by 2 is equal to 0.0837. This is the value. Okay. If you take the addition of this, probability of e raised to probability of x is greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus 0.1239. 1239. 1239 is the value. If you subtract this, probability of x is greater than 2 is equal to 0.8761. This is the answer. This is the answer. You see this one. And if you take the probability of x is greater than 4, more than 4 accidents occur. More than 4 accidents occur in a city. 4 accidents means, more than 4 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on, up to unknown number. Okay. More than 4 accidents in a year. More than 4 accidents in a year means X is greater than 4. X is greater than 4. Greater than 4 you have to calculate. Means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is not possible. Therefore, you make complementary of less than 5 is not required. Less than 5 is not required means greater than 4 you are going to calculate. Therefore, greater than 4 means 5 and above numbers. 5 and above numbers. So, less than 5 numbers are 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These 5 values are not required. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 values are not required. Therefore, you deduct the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 value. Okay. You see this one. Probability of X is greater than 4 is equal to 1 minus probability of X is smaller than 5. Smaller than 5 is equal to, this is the equation. 1 minus not required values. Not required is this one is 0 is not required, is 1 is not required, 2 is not required, 3 is not required, 4 is not required. These 4 values are not required. These are less than 5 numbers. Less than 5 numbers means you requires 4 greater than 4. Greater than 4 means 5 and above number value required, and 5 and less than 5 are not required for you people. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are not required. Then you put the equation and fill the value. Your equation is like this. This is for first, this is for second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, in these values, in the first value, first equation, you write x value 0. In the second equation, you write x value 1. Third equation, x value 2. Fourth equation, x value 3. Fifth equation, x value 4. And mean 5. You write mean 5 in all the equations. You see here. First equation, x value 0. Second equation, x value 1. Then x value 2. Third, x value 3. X value 4. Okay. If you simplify this and see the Poisson distribution, you see the Poisson distribution e raised to minus 5. E raised to minus 5 value is 0.00657. This is the value. You see this one? 0.0067 is the e raised to minus 5 value. And next is 5 raised to 0. 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Then 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5. 5 raised to 2. 5 raised to 2 is equal to 25. 5 raised to 3 is equal to 125. 125. 5 raised to 4 is equal to 625. Okay, 625. And 0 factorial is equal to 0. 1 factorial is equal to 1. 2 factorial is equal to 2. 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Its value is 6. And 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Its value is 24. Its value is 24. Remember this. Okay. You make one step. After this step, you take this as divide by 0, divide by 1. You can multiply the above numbers or not. Okay. You have to calculate the factorial value. After calculating the factorial value, you go to the next step. The next step is, this is the next step. The first value, first term value is first term value is this one, second term value is this, third term value, fourth term value, fifth term value. If you simplify this, okay, then you take the total of this 1 minus 0.4379 and probability of x is greater than 4 is equal to its answer is 0.5621. More than 4 accidents in a year. More than 4 accidents in a year, probability is 0.5621 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. And here also I am having network problem. So I'll not continue. I'll upload this video in the YouTube. You go through the YouTube.